Spring has sprung. It's time for spring cleaning. I'm Steve Chazen and I will show you how to use your smart home technology to get ready for the warmer days ahead. These spring tips will keep your home safer and help you rest easier knowing that your smart home has your back while you're out enjoying this wonderful sunshine. I'll show you how to provide easy, secure access to people who might be working around your home this spring. I'll show you how to automate your lights based on the sun, get notified if you forget to close a door or window to keep that pollen count down, make your house comfortable even as temperatures rise and fall during spring, and confirm your package was delivered and retrieved, all while you enjoy a cup of coffee at your favorite bakery. So let's get started. Early spring weather is unpredictable. One day may be hot, while the next day can feel like winter. Well, it's easy to set your thermostat to automatically keep your house the perfect temperature. Tap on the mode icon and select Auto. The left number is your heat setting and the right is your cool setting. The panel will reflect these settings, so set it and forget it and your home will stay comfortable all spring long. As spring days keep getting longer, it can be a challenge to light your property at night. Here comes an Alarm.com light schedule to the rescue. Log into the website, go under Automation and Light Schedules, and then pick when you want to turn your light on and off. Here we've turned it on at sunset and turned it off 30 minutes after sunrise for perfect lighting every day. With lots of work outside, sometimes you'll forget to close a door or window. Worry no longer. Go into Notifications, select a door was left open, and here we pick which doors or windows we want to monitor. We'll pick the rec room door if it's left open for 5 minutes at all times, and I'll push a notification to my iPhone. And now I'll always know if I leave that rec room door open for more than 5 minutes. You may be expecting a spring package, some window screens, air filters, or even that new bathing suit. With an Alarm.com video doorbell, you'll always be aware of who's at your door and when a package has been delivered and retrieved. Set this up easily in the mobile app under a video analytics rule. No more porch pirate anxiety. You might have a neighbor that would like to bring in your mail, or you have a dog walker that's taking care of your pets while you're on vacation. With Alarm.com, you can give them each their own temporary lock code so you'll know that they've been in your home. And if they forget, you can easily relock your home with a single tap. And for extra credit, Alarm.com tells you every time a new code is created or used, and also reminds you to check who has access so you can keep enjoying your warm days stress-free. Be sure you're safe with Alarm.com. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe.